Hey everybody, welcome back to the Change Your Life 20-second at a time series of video. We do this every single morning, Monday to Friday. We take about 5 to 10 minutes. I read a couple page, and today we're going to talk about your big why. Very, very important. If you don't know what your big why is, then you need to read with me and or buy this book, right? So again, I always say that once in a while I'm going to make mistake of pronunciation. I'm going to put an S where they don't belong. Don't focus on the mistake I do. Don't focus on my accent. Just focus on the content that's going to help you to get what you want faster. Chapter 4. How big is your why? It is a significant question. If you're like me, you may have read many self-development books, watched thousands of motivational videos, and still be puzzled by this great question. I believe that your why is more important than your vision and your mission because your why will give you the fuel, the inspiration necessary to reach your destination. As we discussed earlier, your vision is where you want to go. Your mission is how you will get there. But the main question you should ask yourself is why? Why are you willing to spend so much time and energy to reach that dreams, desire, and goal? Don't tell me it is money. The money will not motivate you when times are tough. Look, this is a key, right? So this is what we did so far. At the beginning of this book, we say enough is enough, right? Then we say I decide 100%. Then we talk about your vision, where you want to go. That's the right question, right? Then you say your mission, what I'm going to need in order to get there. Now we're talking about your why. Why are you willing to do what you want to do every single day? And it's not all, yeah, money is important, and usually it's not about that. We'll discover something later. But money, it's a good motivation, but sometimes when times are tough, most people are going to quit because money. But you need to have a bigger why, right? So let's say you're in. Let's get reading here. I think I lost it. Here's a technique that we use in sales that you may want to use to discover your why. I'm unsure of which mentor or where I learned this technique, but I can tell you that it works every time. I call this technique the fifth level of questioning. Some call it the funnel approach to questioning. Let's say you are in the stage to build rapport with your prospect. The first thing is to find a topic that your future clients might like. Most people like music, TV shows, movies, sports, etc. So to start the conversation, you might bring a topic such as movies. Example, Johnny, I don't know why I'm asking you this question, but do you like movies? If the answer is yes, you will probably ask what genre. And then, what's your favorite movie and why? See, the magic happens when you go deeper. People like to talk about themselves. You will be amazed to see your customer or your prospect become alive while telling the best part of the movie they love. Look, you find something that your customer will like, right? And you say, okay, oh, you like vacation, and you go deeper. You like your family, tell me more. You like golfing, poker, whatever the topic they love, and people will start to open up. But what I want to teach you today is not how to sell, but how to go from general to specific. So that's what we're going to do, right? We're going to start general why, then we're going to go the specific of your why. So again, using this technique, you force your prospect to apply to think deeper and discover more details about his passion. We want to use the same technique process to find our true purpose, our why. I want you to write the answer to your 5 why. So take a piece of paper, write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and let's get to work, right? Where I was. I want you to write the answer to your 5 why. Take your time. I listed mine below for guidance. Look, Danny, why did you choose to become a focus coach? My why number 1 was I want to be my own boss. It's all about me, right? Create my own schedule, make a living doing what I love to do. So if you realize this one is personal. Why number 2, I want to help people reaching their goals faster, going from personal to helping others. Why number 3, I want to become known as the best coach ever. That's back to me, right? Number 4, I want to create a community where everyone helps each other reach their individual goals while giving a percentage of our proceeds to our favorite charity. So that means right here, it's not about my personal right now. Now I want to help other people. I want to create a charity. I want to help other people. Number 5, I want to create a big enough business that it will allow me to hire my sons, friends, and family if they choose to. I want to make sure I serve as many people as possible and make a difference in people's life. I wish people remember me as the focus coach who helped thousands reach their full potential. Now, if you look at what we did right now, number 1, I want to have my own schedule. I want to be my own boss. Number 2, I want to make money. Number 3, I want to help create a community. And you go deeper and deeper. And now, if you look at my number 5, it's getting really powerful. It's not even about me. It's about my sons, my friends, my family. I want to create a movement. I want to create jobs for people, right? I want people to remember me. Hell yeah, this person helped me to succeed. That's what I want you to do. I want you to take a list: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The first 2 and 3 are pretty going to be easy, right? If you want to own why do you want to do this? It's probably because I'm going to enjoy the result, which is money, the fame, or whatever it is. Then you go deeper and deeper. By the way, when I say things like this, if you have any question, right, so Denny at Focus 180 Coaching, Denny at Focus 180 Coaching, send me an email or give me a short call if you know my number. I will I will help you to make this why ready. I just realized that we're going to chapter 5, which we're not going to do today. But what I'd like to do is just tell you a little bit about what I do, right? If you want to know more about what I do, if you want to know more about my business, if you want to know about the program, if you would like to become a coach, if you know somebody who would like to become a coach, we got a certification on the go. It's really powerful. We help people. We teach you skills, the to do and not to do. We build a program for you. We even let you coach our clients so you develop the skills necessary to get to be successful in your coaching business. That's the first portion. The second portion, it's more about the branding, the promoting, how to sell. This is not only me. I got partners who are going to help you to get there. This is very important that not only you become a coach, but then you know how to promote your business as well. That's about it. I'm gonna end this short video. I want to say the same thing as usual. Stay well and stay focused on what you really, 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 really want. Talk to you next time on the next video. Have a great, great, great day. See ya.